Alright, got it connected here with the hose to the tank. That's approximately a 500-gallon tank. And I want to show you right here, this is the switch wires that go to the reset switch for overheat. The overheat sensor. And these wires have been moved. This wire right here on the left was originally in the 5 slot here, but it's bypassed the reset switch because that's apparently went bad and it's no longer available. So the thing to know is right here is the overheat switch. And you can still reset it with this button right here on the top. You need to know that if it shuts down from overheating. Other than that, this unit is complete. And it works fine the way this is, but that's something that you need to know. Modulates that somewhere in the range of 0.5 to A little bit of air blows out here because it's not fitting completely tight.